Hello children, today we're going to learn how to measure. Before that, let's practice writing our numbers up to 20. Can you write 15? Fifteen is a 1, then a 5. Can you write 13? It's a 1 and a 3. Can you write 17? It's a 1 and a 7. Can you write 12? It's a 1 and a 2. Now write 11. There's 11. Can you write 14? It's a 1, then a 4. Can you write 16? A 1 and a 6. And can you write 18? It's a 1 and an 8. Can you write 0? Zero. Can you write 20? A 2 and a 0. Can you write 10? And can you write 19? It's a 1 and a 9. I'm quite cross today, children, because yesterday I left a box of chocolates in my living room. When I got up this morning, all of the chocolates have disappeared. Somebody has eaten them. What's that, children? There's a paw print. Oh yeah, there's a paw print there. I wonder who that belongs to. I'm going to go and have a look around my living room and see if I can find any animals in here. Who could have eaten my chocolates? I'm really annoyed about it. Oh, I wonder if it could be one of these. Was it you, elephant? No. Was it you, polar bear? No. What about you, tiger? Meow, no. What about you, space dog? Was it you? Well, it must have been one of them, mustn't it, children? Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to measure the paw print on the chocolate box. I'm going to use one of these. This is called a ruler, and it shows you how big or small something is. We measure how big things are in meters and centimeters. At the bottom of the screen is my ruler. My ruler is 10 centimeters long. I'm going to move my ruler so that the 0 on the ruler is next to where the footprint starts. That's next to the red line. I've drawn another line where the footprint ends. Now I'm looking at my ruler and I can see that this footprint is 4 centimetres long. Measuring is quite hard to do. I drew the red lines on my picture to show you what to do, but when you're measuring, the red lines won't be there. You have to imagine where they would be. Now I'm going to measure each of the animal's feet to find out whose foot is 4 centimetres long. Whoever's foot is 4 centimetres long is the animal that ate my chocolates. I'm going to start with the polar bear. First, I'm going to move the ruler so that the 0 on the ruler is next to where the polar bear's foot starts. Now I'm going to draw a line where the polar bear's foot finishes. How many centimetres long is the polar bear's foot? Yes, that's right, it's 7 centimetres. So the polar bear didn't eat my chocolate. Now let's measure the elephant's foot. Here's a tricky question for you children. Is the elephant's foot 10 centimetres long? No, I forgot to move the ruler so that the 0 was next to where the elephant's foot starts. I'm going to move the ruler now. There, that's better. And now I'm going to draw a line where the elephant's foot ends. So this elephant's foot is 6 centimetres long. It wasn't the elephant that ate the chocolates either. I wonder if it was the tiger. First, I'm going to move the ruler so that the 0 is next to where the tiger's foot starts. Now I'm going to draw a line where the tiger's foot finishes. How many centimetres is this tiger's foot? Yes, that's right, 3 centimetres. So it wasn't the tiger either. Was it you, Space Dog? He's looking a bit ashamed of himself, isn't he? Let's find out if it was him. So I'm moving the ruler just like before. There's the 0 at the start of his paw. And this line shows where it finishes. It's 4 centimetres. Space Dog ate the chocolates. Oh dear, Space Dog, was it you? You're sorry. Okay, well just don't do it again. If you eat so many chocolates, your tummy could hurt, couldn't it, children? What I'd like you to do today, children, is see if you have a ruler in your house, or maybe one of these, a tape measure, and do some measuring. You could measure your feet and your mum's, your dads, your brothers and your sisters. See how many centimetres long they are, and then you can let me know on Twitter. That's all we have time for today. Take care, and we'll see you again tomorrow for some more learning. Goodbye.